Tracy wants a picture of him. Tracy says she want to know everybody. She's like, make sure you take lots of pictures. I'm like,
hello, Tracy. I'm Chris. Nice to meet you.
Yes, yes.
Big up.
All right. I'm going to go press this in. So I'm going to put it on video to show them. Yeah. Yeah, man. Not yet. Soldier Rock? Well, the one right there, sir? Okay.
Soldier Rock.
Holy shit, man. Look at that. Mounds and mounds of hills, eh? Yeah, man. Fear man. Fear man. I think no wonder. I don't wonder, right, Chris?
Yeah, I didn't do right.
Soldier Rock. You know? Yeah, that's Soldier I live up. What's up, guy? Talk to me. Tell me something. I'm gonna put you on YouTube, man. Christian. That's Christian over there.
That's Tyree.
Tyreek. What's up, Tyreek? Alright. Bird Mountain. Now there's one come up, I know. But we never ever come around. Hide off, huh? I'll put the house right there, so. Tell the boy.